हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ए सीरीज रे आमे कंटिन्यू करूछु ओ ट्रिपल एस रे जेते सब आमर एग्जाम होती तार प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो आज रे आमे डिस्कशन करिबा 2018 रे हिथिबा जूनियर क्लार्क बा जूनियर असिस्टेंट रो कंप्यूटर क्वेश्चन आंसर। चलंतु स्टार्ट करिबा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जूनियर क्लार्क रो कंप्यूटर रो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is an absolute cell reference with MS Excel? Right answer is option number B. 62 number, in MS PowerPoint representation designs regulate the formatting and layout for the slide and are commonly called ताहाकु ऑप्शन नंबर बी टेम्पलेट कहा जाए। नेक्स्ट 63 number question, which of the following should you use if you want all the slide in the presentation to have the same looks in MS PowerPoint? Right answer is option number D, a presentation design template। 64, which of the following is correct in MS Excel? Right answer is option number 3 C, is equal to power 2 and 3। 65, how to go to page number 345 in MS Word document containing 365 pages? Right answer is option number D, press Ctrl G then enter 345 and press enter। Next 66 number question, what is the maximum number in column in a table in MS Word? Right answer is option number C 63। 67, in MS PowerPoint the header and footer bottom can be found on the insert tab in what groups? Right answer is option number C text group। Next 68 number question, in MS Excel to drag and select range of data to another worksheet in the same workbook use the? Right answer is option number A control key। 69, a dex is approximately 1 billion byte। Right answer is option number B gigabyte। 70, what does the VLOOKUP function do in MS Excel? Right answer is option number C finds value in an array। Next 71, the feature in MS Excel that display only the data in column according to specified criteria? Right answer is option number C filtering। 72 number question, in MS Word which of the following do you use to change margins? Right answer is option number B page setup dialog box। 73 number question, in MS PowerPoint how can you create an uniform appearance by adding a background image to all slides? Right answer is option number B edit the slide master। Next 74th number question, in MS Excel the cells reference for the range of cell that start in cell C1 and goes over to column H and down to row 10 each? Right answer is option number B C1 ratio H10। 75, by default you document print in DEX model in MS Word? Right answer is option number B portrait। 76 number, what is the function of Control B in MS Word? Right answer is option number C it makes the selected text bold। Next 77 number, in MS Excel you can create hyperlinks from the Excel workbook to? Option number D all of the above। तो ऑप्शन 1 रे ए वेब पेज ऑन कंपनी इंटरनेट, बी रहला ए वेब पेज ऑन द इंटरनेट, सी रहला अदर ऑफिस एप्लीकेशन डॉक्यूमेंट। 78 इन MS Excel व्हाट डज सम MIF फंक्शन डू, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी बोथ ए एंड बी। ए रहला एड ऑफ सेल वैल्यू बेस्ड ऑन ए कंडीशन, बी रहला एड ऑल द नंबर्स इन ए रेंज ऑफ सेल। नेक्स्ट 79 नंबर इन ऑर्डर टू एंटर मल्टीपल रो इन ए सेल MS Excel which key should be pressed after each line, right answer is option number C alt plus enter। 80 number question मैच द फॉलोइंग, मैच द फॉलोइंग रे राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए ही हम। तो फास्ट है फाइल एक्सटेंशन फॉर पावर पॉइंट फाइल है ऑप्शन नंबर 3 .pptx और फाइल एक्सटेंशन फॉर वर्ड फाइल है ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट .doc, फाइल एक्सटेंशन फॉर एक्सेल फाइल रहेला ऑप्शन नंबर 2 .xlsx, फाइल एक्सटेंशन फॉर टेक्स्ट फाइल है .txt, ऑप्शन नंबर IV। नेक्स्ट 81 द वर्ड FTP स्टैंड्स फॉर, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी फाइल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल। नेक्स्ट 82 number question in MS Excel dragged and drop method of copy or moving, right answer is option number B can be used between both workbook and worksheet। next 83 है in MS PowerPoint if you want to insert some slide from other presentation into current one choose, right answer is option number A format insert menu choose slide from file हम। नेक्स्ट अब 82 रहा ऑप्शन नंबर बी कैन बी यूज्ड बिटवीन बोथ वर्कबुक एंड वर्कशीट। क्वेश्चन दिला इन MS Excel द ड्रैग ड्रॉप मेथड ऑफ कॉपिंग मूविंग। नेक्स्ट 84 ए फंक्शन इनसाइड अनदर फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड ए डेक्स फंक्शन, राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए नेस्टेड। नेक्स्ट 85 number question for addition of a row at the end of a table in MS Word move the cursor at the end and use, right answer is option number B tab। 86 which one is not a function of MS Excel, right answer is option number B average by AVG। 87th number question which of these is a shortcut to add a border to the selected cell in MS Excel, right answer is option number D Ctrl plus Shift plus and। 88 which key should be pressed to start a new paragraph in MS Word, right answer is option number B enter key। 89 which input device cannot be used to work in MS Office, right answer is option number D joysticks। 90 which key is used to rename a file in Windows operating system, right answer is option number C F2। next 91 in MS Excel how can you remove border apply in cell, right answer is both of the above। एक रहा चूज द नन ऑन द बॉर्डर टैब ऑफ फॉर्मेट सेल। सेकंड रहा ओपन द लिस्ट ऑफ बॉर्डर टूल इन फॉर्मेटिंग टूल बार देन चूज फास्ट टूल और नो बॉर्डर। नेक्स्ट 92 number question. In MS Excel, which function display row data in a column or column data in row? Right answer is option number D, transpose. 93. The maximum zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint is option number C, 400%. 94. In MS PowerPoint, when you are giving your presentation and you need to click a slide that few slide back, best way to achieve this is right answer is all of the above haba. All of the above रे आसीबो ऑप्शन 1 रे प्रेस ESC to get back into a normal view, click the slide thumbnail in normal view, then click the resume slide show button. B रे press back up until your desired slide. C रे right click, go to slide and select slide haba. Next 95. Firewall is used in PC for right answer is option number B, security. आउ किछि किछि आंसर रे ऑल ऑफ द अबव मध्य हबार चांस अछि ऑथेंटिकेशन रे मध्य व्यवहार करा जाय बोली कहा जाय। नेक्स्ट 96 नंबर क्वेश्चन। In MS Excel, you want to paste a format result but not the underlying formula to another cell. The produce is to first copy the cell with the formula, then place the insertion point in the cell where you want to copy to. Then next step is to right answer is option number C. Click the arrow on the paste button on the standard toolbar, then click value. 97. You have got a bunch of digital holiday photo you want to put into a slideshow. What is the quickest method in MS PowerPoint? Right answer is option number C. On the insert menu, point the picture, click new photo album. Next 98 number. What will happen if you select 4 row from row heading in MS Excel and then right click the select insert? Right answer is option number B, insert 4 new row before the first selected row. 99. How do you insert a row in MS Excel? Right answer is option number A. Right click the row heading where you want to insert the new row and selected insert from the shortcut menu. Next 100 number question. In MS Excel, how do you change column width to fit the content? Right answer is option number B. Double click the boundary to the right of the column heading. Next 101 number question. 101 number question है which is the function button for spelling and grammar is MS Word. MS Word रे स्पेलिंग आउ ग्रामर चेक करने कौ कीटा यूज करा जाए? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, F7. 102. In MS PowerPoint, which of the following should be used when you want to add a slide to an existing presentation? Right answer is option number B, insert or new slide. 103. In MS PowerPoint, the entire entry effect as one slide replace another in show इज कॉल्ड ତାହାକୁ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ବି ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜିସନ୍ କୁହାଯାଏ। ନେକ୍ସଟ 104 ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ କମାଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ରିଙ୍ଗସ୍ ୟୁ ଟୁ ଦ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ଲାଇଡ୍ ଇନ୍ ୟୋର୍ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ୍ ଇନ୍ MS PowerPoint? ରାଇଟ୍ ଆନ୍ସର୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅପସନ୍ ନମ୍ବର ସି କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ହୋମ୍। ନେକ୍ସଟ 105 ନମ୍ବର ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ବି ଦ ସର୍ଟକଟ୍ କି ଇନ୍ MS ୱିଣ୍ଡୋ ଟୁ ପରଫର୍ମ କଟ୍ ଅର୍ ଅପରେସନ୍? Right answer is option number D control plus X. So which of the following is the largest unit of storage? Right answer is option number B terabyte by TB. So in MS Excel a circular reference is option number C a format that either directly or indirectly depends on itself. Next 108 number the shortcut command of save in MS Word is option number D both B and C. B रे है alt plus F plus F आउ C रे control plus F. So है control plus Y is the shortcut key for MS. Right answer is option number D redo the last action. So है 10 number question which is the shortcut of replace in MS Word? Right answer is option number C control plus H. 111 in MS PowerPoint which of the following can you use the add time to the slides in a presentation? Right answer is option number D all of the above हब तो all of the above फास्ट रहा स्लाइड शो मेनू बी रहा रिहर्सल टाइमिंग बटन सी रहा स्लाइड ट्रांसमिशन बटन 112 व्हाट टाइप of chart used to showing trends or changes over time in MS Excel? Right answer is option number C line chart. 113 in MS PowerPoint in order to see all the slides on one screen use option number A view slide view हवा नहले slide sorter. Next 114 number question the desk feature is MS Excel quickly complete a series of data. Right answer is option number B autofill. 115 what is the shortcut of insert command in MS Excel? Right answer is option number D shift plus F2. 116 if a new device is attached to a computer such a printer or scanner its desk must be installed before the device can be used. Right answer is option number B driver install करिवा कथा printer और scanner जोड़िवा आगर. Next 117 number in MS Word how to change the author name for review comment? Right answer is option number C track change option और change username. 118 how to add a new word into dictionary of MS Word? Right answer is option number A in spelling and grammar new word enter the word or shape. Next 119 what is the use of track changes in MS Word? Right answer is option number B to record change done to the document by multiple editor. Next last question in MS Excel value used in a formula that does not change each called a option number B constant. ଏତିକି ଆମର क्वेश्चन आंसर लास्टा सरिला। यही क्लास PDF ପାଇଁ ମୋର टेलीग्राम ग्रुपटा जॉइन करंतु जहाँकि लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन रे अच्छी ता सहित सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट। थैंक यू सो मच। जय जगन्नाथ।